What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which we're covering Terra Classic or the Luna Classic token, LUNC, which this is the first time I covered the old Luna Classic, let's just call it that, since its big crash at the beginning of May. So yeah, I mean, I didn't cover it because I didn't really want to cover it after what happened. And apart from that, I also did not know if the price action was still reliable. I mean, obviously, a lot of people are still trading in it. 466 million in these markets is not nothing. The market cap is still 500 million, even though the whole new project has launched. And the new project could definitely use that market cap, I'd say. But yeah, just quickly on Terra, I don't think, it cannot get back to its old prices. It cannot even get to 1 cent. That's just too much of a gain. It would need 100x, and 100x would be a 50 billion market cap without burning tokens. I mean, if a lot of tokens are being burned, and this is the circulating supply, but there's probably some of that is more burned than just this 400 billion number, which is the difference between circulating and total. But to get back to the price, you'd either need to burn a whole lot, or you'd need a valuation of 50 billion for a project that's no longer being worked on. So I wouldn't have much hope for the project. But I mean, that's up to you too. And if we take a look at the price right now on the short term, that's actually quite interesting, and it's quite exciting because, and let's delete this, I'll remember, but you can see that we have been in this overall downtrend right here, and I always love to visualize that a little bit more. We've been in this downtrend for a long time. Here you can see. And then what we did yesterday, and yesterday was quite a bullish day for Luna Classic. We can also see that right here. Went all the way from this low at around 4,300. That's what I'm going to call the prices as. It's otherwise it's impossible to do. But all the way down here, and we got a run all the way up to 8,000. So that was a huge gain. But that's also a great thing, because that means that can I get rid of this real quick? I think so. So here you can see that bottom, and that actually caused us to break out of this general bearish market structure. We managed to break out of that 50 EMA, but also, and I'm quickly going to, no, I'm not going to add it right now, but so that caused us to break above these EMAs, breaking out of that structure, even finding resistance here at 8,700, as I said. Then we dropped down, and we dropped down to the 6,000 level, but that held. So again, that confirms the break of this general market structure we had for the last couple of weeks. So for Luna Classic holders, I think this was definitely a win. And what we have right now is that this uptrend we have is clashing with the bigger downtrend we're having, and this 200 EMA, which is usually a very strong resistance level, is the last real obstacle to actually break together with that trend line. You still have this small resistance here around 9,200, but I don't think that's going to matter that much. I mean, today, probably today, or in the next few, or in the next like 2 or 3 days, within the weekend, we're either going to break above this level around 8,500, which would make us do something like this, I think, and my price target would be around 10,500, or this level is going to hold around 8,500. And we'll break down below 7,000 again. If that happens, we're probably dropping down to 6,000. And I do think we got a good chance at actually consolidating somewhere in this region. But obviously, I mean, when something like this is happening, when we got this momentum, you'd love to see the price doing something like this. So it's going to be one of these things either. And then in the middle of that, so in the middle of this squeezing market structure we have for Luna Classic, you will have new inflation rate numbers in about 5 hours, I think, from uploading this video. So they might even already be out in like 2 hours if you're watching this video a little later. And that's going to make the market move as well. Still, these levels are the important levels. Either we're breaking down 7,000 or breaking above 8,500. But those numbers are going to make the market move too. So keep an eye out for that. Be careful, please, because it's probably going to be quite volatile. And for now, that's basically my analysis. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And for now, thank you all for watching and listening. If you found it valuable, please consider liking and subscribing. And I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.